Hi everyone, Paul Zabin here from Dance House International one more time with another quick tip for this. Number one, we have to understand how to structure ourselves, how to hold ourselves up, or how to create a platform on which to stand. And what I mean by that is you have a number of bone structures in your body which need to move simultaneously. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick 3 of them and we're going to show you how we do this. I want to find the center of my head, I want to find the center of my chest cavity, and I want to find the center of my pelvic region. And so if I draw a line from my nose to the back of the skull and from ear to ear, those 2 lines will intersect somewhere in the middle of my head. I don't actually really do this, but we can imagine it. From the top of the head to the bottom of the skull, again, draw a 3rd line, and there you have what we call true center inside your skull. Everyone's got it. Again, the same thing happens with your chest, side to side, front to back, and if your chest would be able to be taken out from the top to the bottom. The same thing with the pelvic region, side to side, front to back, and top to bottom. Now, if you can imagine those 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, and we try to line them up with each other, now we have what we call true center. Yeah? If my pelvis is hanging out, that line is out. If my chest is slouching, my head is forward, my pelvis is forward, the points are out. You get curvature, we don't get true center. So what we do is we want to tilt the pelvis forward, lift the chest through the diaphragm, squeeze the muscles. Those 3 points are very, very important for posture. They're also very important for your partner, because if you haven't got your posture, how's your partner going to be able to dance with you? Quick tip for the week. There you go. Hope you'll have some fun with that. Again, find the 3 points of your body, play around with that, see if you can go forward, backwards, sideways, take a step. If you want any questions answered, you know what to do. Give us a bell, send us an email, write us a PM or whatever. Again, Paul Zabin with another quick tip for this week from Dance House International. Bye-bye for now.